animals there. We have leopards, we have lions, we have elephants, we have cheetahs. So just so that we are all safe, sometimes these wild animals break off the fence, and you might meet some of this wildlife next to your hotel room. Please be careful because they are not domesticated. Number two, let me also volunteer some information to you. Scientists, and I am one of them, have proven with scientific data and information that Kenya has the earliest remains of man. This is where humanity began. The Turkana boy, which is a phenomenon that is documented by science as the earliest ever found remains of human beings on planet Earth, is right here in Kenya. And therefore it is correct for me to tell all of you, welcome home. This is where we all began. And my minister has informed me that somehow some of our officials made you to pay visas to come home. And he asked me to apologize, which I do. When one comes home, they don't pay to come home. And I want to promise you that that might be the last time you are looking for a visa to come to Kenya. Because of two reasons. Number one, because this is home, and number two, because we support wholeheartedly the ACFTA, and we must remove any impediments to the movement of people around our continent. With those remarks, let me now take this opportunity to request my good brother, the President of Comoros, and the Chair of the Africa Union Summit, President Azali, to come and make his remarks. Mr. President.